Those, I collected them in Tamale.
Okay.
Old buildings near what Tamale from from the 50s, 60s near there.
Okay.
There are some scrapyard areas around Tamale. There's one place called Bunkurayele.
Okay.
It's like the house of old things. It's a building.
Blikin kanle ngone ya tujina antutum blikin situma katazani pyango ken karba to kuto zan sai titinye tamba behe onwaya nama ka blikin kanle ko yina antabutum blikin si tan twasele dimenya wala antum na blikin situma ten dumna antapuhe kapapam yelmangle dagban blikin kanlo ma ngone Ebrahim mahama anti ha nirbo pamyomi karanyala bankura ko dara ay ka tele kadama tamale be gana tambane Ebrahim mahama nyela ne voso munye dagban blikina ka kunu wo blikisi kanando oben shakam karanyela o lehla dagban the dagban aka tele the whole Africa zaha bit yellow shell polo no northern territory so kam lehlima karanyela fokumse farana munyaba banin bani bawchan shekoro brakan la shekoro furi babanam be biyanam be karakinma ka bo abnanda Ebrahim mahama opa politician amba miyo nyina lo sherpla ama Ebrahim mahama o ko har politi opa nebia ama kale tumde blikin se tuma ko tumda tumbe nyo artwork ko nangda kasoka miyo dagban polo ayan zam shazam bang Ebrahim mahama nala yele o ngunda ji plane la zan kanala ngunda zan train la nala antiha la yela uma kayen yele kasoka namba nimvoso munye Ebrahim mahama wabazan nimane dunya zaha Ebrahim mahama babanglo yela la haleta pai ka wara benye de we are celebrities the whole world karanyala ba karamna ta paro ogbana dire shelbara ogbana tumnatun shelbara ama Ebrahim mahama nan sheloma o zanlame karanyala pumpon de dumba dunya lolakam #Ebrahim mahama #the Tamale people mbwarne Tamale International dagban ka wumbe blikin ma mbwarne tama Ebrahim mahama na tumtu sha halan na zonwo karanyala zonwo wo bela silmin tanga wonyala nemvoso wonang na to bonle to na Italy to mbo nangda karanya silmin son kwangloshi karanyala blikinsi ko kora be blikinsi ko wumda Mane, and you know what, Mr. President, on social media, and so Hashem, please tag this video to Ebrahim mahama, share this video to Ebrahim mahama, subscribe, turn your notification, let's show Dagbang what we have. Take up and shout Ebrahim mahama, Talian Mbon Fanga, Ankunye Dagban Blichina, Kawara Blichinsi, Kabwan Dagbang be doing bang, Dagban Male. Tagbana tu nangle Ebrahim mahama nya wumbe bresha itale tangbane karanyel bozoko kana ay ka tele interview o menselmi sonde difila ko to asaba tu she won tum no ma o kpate kene te tara tanda mel ben shanga tanda mel kose nang paintan manana ben shakam za haddan ko landa en ka danda gare ka de bete en kana din hashira ka ko to ngele dan ma ka Ebrahim mahama ko landele dingen kar ko yire ka for solo pune wannan lo ma za karpela pumpo de palala dagban pumpo dagban wona wannan de shelo wa dagban matibe miyo ama dunen mbanwo miyo won kana to shelo wa Brescia on chan Torino on chan Milano karnya bo belkin se ko kyan ka wohra na dunen nan bangana tan to nan ban shao karpala dagban non ko to nan ban shao magraheb Italy wan kana womro nyela bengale nan program ka program wama karyala kambwansele ko pa Ebrahim mahama ko muro kapte direfila Sweet Africa TV te keme to wochi omro ne defila sheloma kakna te zan shelazan pa here
Abusia, how he see things is different, and I'm like, okay, I gotta talk to him and at least find out the perspective, the ideas, one as art. How an art need differ a little bit from other people almost here art. So let's get into like 10 minutes interview. I'm in here. So this art piece right here. Can you please explain it to me? First of all, I want to understand how you transport your stuff around the world.
When it came here by plane.
By plane? Oh, okay.
Business class crown I find.
Yeah, because it's serious stuff. All the doors, everything.
Everything. Doors, I collected them in Tamale.
Okay.
Old buildings near what Tamale from the 50s, 60s near there.
Okay.
There are some scrapyard areas around Tamale. There's one place called Bunkurayele.
Okay.
It's like the house of old things. It's a building be on parts, doors, windows near there. From time to time they call those places. Then near Mano. Nam they have a good studio. In the exhibition way ban. Nam a series of drawings because normally artworks na normally they have use botany then things and normally concepts na it looks at ngrofo ejuma ngrofo they share labor near there. So in the case of I didn't want it to be abstract. This time nam pese me like me draw ngrofo ankasa. But nam pese me drawing on just any material. Pese me drawing on border ngrofo fie won say okon ngrofo fie mu ceilings dada near there. Motutu am the ceilings for shown. Dada na so mutugu.
Oh yeah.
The omo tu egu no e scrapyard near there like bunkra yele no on na mekoto those old boards. It's board maybe one might be as a ceiling na leakage near there the woman. It create some texture be our board no. And I be so honoma na to crow mu ebi omu a omo board no the buttons near there. The buttons na mark those parts. Into the na abomu na we drawing gusua. Those marks na ewo board no so a transfer into drawing until ebi ananka body no scar be anybody no but because I want draw nipa no egu sa board no so at the end akwa say a krobi and a scar be ababeda ho until and also the reason why I'm saying yes and because subject matter na what drawing no factories no musi o kwame from time the do na omo tonton nansen ebi on back obi na tomato factory winning by outside no more use that nansen na buy na ton nti me negotiate here na me to old machines na won say musu emu edru nti enya welders bi near there no mko yi ni na gently but emu edru nti moving it from one place to the other the photos na me here near there and idea composition for drawing. So drawing it has a long history with regards to history in relation to, let's say, even the failures of the states in relation to industrialization near there. But in this time around nanka pesemi in such a way say working up with physically like say doors be more bit me and because normally drawing there
So I listened to you talk for a while and then you explain exactly what you are saying. Say even though say were red clay back in Tamale, whilst I know see some of the place, people can actually go through and then experience the whole thing. Exactly. So you can see that through the works, that which is amazing.
Yes.
So a whole lot of people here want to talk to you, so I don't want to waste your time. What is your biggest misconception when it comes to a manful misconception about art? Because, for example, people will see some of these pieces, like the door frame, the baby who and I'm like, okay, we can see this here. And what far away from Canada, is saying, what do you see that people like me don't see when it comes to your type of art? You get me?
Oh, me say my type of art. Art in general.
Yeah.
But I won't say in Ghana, we are used to art. Ebi obi a draw nipa.
Yes.
Ebi FFF color bi na ebo dan ho na wako gallery. And I wako bi fie na ebo living room near there. But me who art sir. Art is about say art. The thing about art is say the more and more who art the more and more say ebie we ni about we
yes.
It's art enye so much about bibia onim say art but it's more or less about adie bia we hu a odwen say ebetimi aye art na odi aba art wo di bemu a this time no incredible omehu ana bibi no e change omo ankasa omo perception about bibia ebetimi aye art dache so me adie bia obi enhu say art no afi na me kwakwohwe sa ade no na me dey artwork inti unhu a next time onam na unhu bibi say obi tu ade bia go artist be the idea here into the sense of value it change this time around
exactly because me show before some of the pictures now roll well red clay maybe I would say what is strength kind of marketplaces what change like the first couple of pictures me who here and I'm say be a time and then we see dining because I saw like Mills Farm.
Yes, exactly.
And that was 10 hours that I was bringing in.
Yes, exactly. Because like idea we two from we see building. Now the Sam Amiana we two. What's under and when anyway, it doesn't make sense. But that's the thing about art. Art, you know, that's why a lot of people ain't understanding art. When we say art, you know, about common sense. Art and your common sense idea. It's like Obi a movie, maybe a Hollywood or my movie, Aliens, it's about a different reality altogether. Who creates a world be a reason, you ever dream about a reason in a very different way. But normally you go for drink art once I call it ABC. Oh yeah, only 1 + 1 and 2. Not 2. No, art doesn't work that way. Art is about expanding the mind and the way we think about the world that we live in. If you ask us the way I say art baby, I'm over to me who artwork be about way we ask who different. And the man sometimes maybe a government will be an artwork be say 100 million. Sadly my crap it's me. But at the end of who you know, a better about you. At the end of normally na ka won about him ka beka so ade dey san krasa o say ade o ade ya say dey to twene but obi akofa na ode abe art say say obetimi ahwa no ka say ampa ade na bibi o mu amehu but because an artist no eti ato ne bo ase ade aye nitin na say artist yan abodam no and yes ya abodam but just that you share
you see things differently
like we ask no you who know in ways e be normally share because most people know almost like they want to make sense of the world in a certain way. But if we ask no who sense for try to make it at the end of the day the world now can say no it's so miserable. So sometimes we just have to share
our culture Ghana for example.
Yes.
Art there a little bit different as compared to outside like UK. I've seen you've done so many things around the world. I've seen a couple of them on Instagram. What do you think we can do as a country, Ghana, to at least shift the focus to art? Because we learn art and culture in school, but the application of it is a little bit different. And you having a bigger studio like Red Clay in Tamale, what do you think can be done that can at least help in that regard, shifting people's ideas, mindset towards art?
I think Ebrahim has to invest more into building infrastructure.
Okay.
Museums, spaces, even in music. Do you think Ghana has a national recording studio?
No.
We are young artists. We are recording music. Just experiment without thinking about money.
Okay.
We are artists. We say, Ebrahim ACC studios. We apply. We in a studio. We have a stipend every day. We be a creativity because normally a common driving into a talented, but a community. Even I saw a video where Kumewood, one of the actors, we just acting Ghana Cram or Canada, scripting or
it happens.
Exactly. So that's the thing is that we are not investing a lot into the local infrastructure. So among Grofona, Ebia and more talents no be near ebe uplifting the cultural scene. Omunya chance amudane. Ono a better say anko beko ebia America na bibi. Akoye ebia some boy rather than to be in Ghana. So for me I think that we the local the ordinary people like artists and others ebia also be there like there are galleries in Accra this year. Before there were galleries there's Artist Alliance Gallery, Professor Glover, artists out in the CKC Gallery. We artists are to do works about tongue works in Ama near there. Badge Gallery, Monia there, the Loom, Nina Sifo. Now we 1957 at that gallery. There are other private initiatives or more running. And I see a crowd there, artists and cassette Sabia Kushibuchi, and I be a Makubuafo, Atimatis, like compound house, Nina Sifo. Young artists no more system necessary. Omanka so musika no mudisi see ebia spaces.
By take to watch Ebrahim Mahama on the fila shaloma. Ebrahim Mahama mpashere ombani tago. Izan video ma ko nyele mpashere den to encourage you ko kana Iceland be ko zone na point and kana Scandinavian countries polo. Iceland ngo bagbaza mare a lot of places. Kadinyal kadama ay ka tele te Ghana be Africa ay yere Europe, katwase Scandinavian countries. The whole of Africa be Ghana nema. Three ka hankal zanchang tension adenye Scandinavian country. Ayele Iceland ngo nirbune mbwahara la bwase. Ayele Greenland nirbune mbwahara bwase. but di kana ti art la gypsy ban shanga den to nan in Ghana be in the northern region ka the whole Africa za ban shaden de enche kap ne boala kap ne to nya ka ko to nyere pianwa ay nyelme especially yon de ne na ka Ebrahim mahama ko yin video de enche makala vibe mo ma ban shaden be the Scandinavian countries in Europe ngoma including Africa in America in UK kara kika be hali aibo goba ban shaden be la traitor ngoma agbe nyele me denjia kala tenso ngoma kara nan na wula kara nyela dinye keka agba mai ka refreshra kara tran kadema ne agwama dozo hashtag Ebrahim mahama den keka video ngoma ko nyele ampashel so habiane Ebrahim mahama o mel sole lu'la kam da dunya wonto kan lu'la kam Iceland want to research more about Iceland. Young about Bamamang Kum, Blue Lagoon, Sky Lagoon, Kachantele, Iceland mountains, and best spring water, hot water. Iceland when you ten sheldon jene, tumbling yele, ama belite shelbum melma kalate behin yele. Iceland about big glaciers, big Diamond Beach. Scandinavian countries want mel ben shanga karnan la gypsy pam Iceland when you la kadma sashetin jewa yung tan malela only just 2 hours yung wo dan palma za nyala won tani tete kyan in the winter time ale nyel maka yung ma karagalsi ka wonta ma karanye biala ngolongo ma nyela la gypsy pam kala video ma dipa Ebrahim mahama now no to chaka wannan nan da shel dore dagban vazo ma on to pala hankale sheldon be koma nzanchanta ber dagbang ka never so on the borno nya the vibe between a Scandinavian country and Europe and Africa ka binu to big Ghana kami about Iceland about Greenland the coast weather besha kam dem biane tanana proud zanchan Ebrahim mahama this kind of people karatu na kadma to celebrate Ebrahim mahama is a young guy, is a nice guy, is a humble. Nin yoko magraheb. Kap defila. Ko feel free kap na shama. The namalan yasam kama the way one be shamwama. Mbetse na kadama. Wananto non free to the people kaso kam to do fila. I never have his personal number, and I wish if somebody can connect me and him so that we can be a friend. I hope maybe we to your video. The encheka on wanna vibe mama. Who knows tomorrow? Konu to connect the whole Africa, the West Africa. Konu to connect between art shadimbe Iceland. Konu to connect indirectly in Africa. The encheka never song be young polo be Africa. Ko barno ku chang. Ntele la atma the life beshaka no beshele won to pekele zan kana kyango Ebrahim mahama anu po mboka timyara an tuhur shelo ma aba tuhur metalla dagbamba a tuhur mazan tere entire Africa the whole bana dagbanza ha bana zo ka fighter teroma Ebrahim mahama o politician of their politics lare ama Ebrahim mahama na no beshele ma blikinsi ko nangda breaking calling you ma and you more Mr. President on social media tag Ebrahim mahama share this video to him so that who know I wish somebody will help me to get his contract so that maybe we can link up the connection between tabam bien wana ngoma na bana na yampolo ma ka yolo ma karakpanse. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.